Are you looking to grow your audience and expand your brand's reach? Guest posting is the perfect strategy for you. It allows you to publish your content on someone else's website or blog. By doing so, you can reach a wider audience who may not be familiar with your brand. The first step is to find relevant websites or blogs that accept guest posts. Make sure the website or blog aligns with your niche and target audience. Once you've found potential platforms, reach out to them with a personalized pitch. Show them why you would be a valuable addition to their site. When crafting your pitch, highlight your expertise and the value you can provide to their readers. If the website or blog accepts your pitch, it's time to start creating quality content. Ensure that the content you submit is unique, engaging, and provides value to the readers. Make sure to follow any guidelines or requirements set by the host website or blog. Remember, guest posting is not just about self-promotion. It's about building relationships and providing valuable insights to a new audience. When your article is published, promote it on your own website and social media platforms to further increase its reach. Engage with the readers by responding to comments and answering any questions they may have. Guest posting is a long-term strategy. Consistently contribute valuable content to different platforms to build credibility and expand your reach. Finally, track the performance of your guest posts. Monitor the traffic it brings to your website and the engagement it generates. This will help you evaluate the effectiveness of your guest posting efforts. So, are you ready to take your brand to the next level with guest posting? Start researching and pitching today.